this video, let us learn about COVID-19. As we all know that the COVID cases are increasing day by day in the world. So we have to be safe by staying in the home and protecting ourselves. So now today let us learn what is COVID-19. COVID-19 is caused by a newly strain of virus. CO stands for corona, VI stands for virus, D stands for disease and 19 stands for 2019. It is COVID-19 which is because this COVID-19 was discovered in the Wuhan city in China in 2019. That's why COVID-19. Now let's also learn the symptoms which are related to the COVID-19. The first symptom is tiredness of body, high fever. It means high temperature in our body, body pains, dry cough, breathing problem, loss of smell and taste. Now let us learn the precautions related to the COVID-19. The first precaution is to wear a mask. We have to wear a mask and go out from our, when we are going out from our home, we have to wear a mask. If you may ask why we have to wear a mask, it is because when we speak out, the saliva molecules which are present in our mouth will surround in all the air. So that it means if it's surrounded, then all the people will be affected by these saliva molecules. The second one is to wash our hands neatly at least 20 seconds with alcohol-based hand sanitizer or soap. Now let's learn the washing process. We have to take a soap. We have to wash like this 10 times and like this. Second one 10 times. Second step. Third step. We have to keep our fingers between the left hand fingers. Now right hand fingers. 4. Now 5. 6 for thumb. 7 on our palm. Now let's wash. So now we learn the technique of washing for at least 20 seconds. We can also use a alcohol based hand sanitizer, gel or any spray when we are going to journeys. We have to carry this hand sanitizer. The third one is to maintain social distance when we are talking to the another person for at least 6 feet. And the fourth one is to avoid our eyes, touching of our eyes, nose and mouth with the unwashed hands. So if we touch, the germs which are present in our hands will enter. The fifth one is that we should not go to the crowded places, as they will not, sometimes they not wear a mask. So the saliva molecules surround all in the air, which will give us problem. The sixth one is to cover our nose and mouth with tissue when we cough or sneeze, and we have to stay home when we have minor symptoms like headache or breathing problem and also some cough or all if we lost our taste and smell, and also we have to self isolate for 14 days. And if we follow this if we follow these precautions, then we can easily fight against the COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind. Now let's learn the remedies related to the COVID-19. The first one is to taking steam with the help of turmeric and water. Second one, monitoring the temperature daily through a clinical thermometer. And the third one is to drink a cup of turmeric milk morning and evening, which will benefit because the turmeric will fight against the disease which is present in our throat and also any other parts. And the fourth one is to monitor oxygen saturation with the help of a pulse oximeter. And the fifth one is to clean your surroundings through a sodium hypochlorite at least twice a day. So if you follow these remedies daily, we can easily fight against the COVID-19. Bye bye. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, please click on the like button and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel.